Hi creators, this is my new class, Creative Portraits. My name is Erandi and I'm a graphic designer and creative director of Erandi Art, a fashion brand based in Cancun, Mexico, launched in 2008, an eclectic and feminine contemporary line that combines my approach to fashion in wearable pieces of art inspired by my travels around the world. This gave me the chance to learn about different cultures and fall in love with textiles, colors, and explore new landscapes. A major motivation for me to put out this class is to break down creativity from different perspectives, to not be afraid to stay away from the norm, be authentic, and to help you to play with different techniques to express yourself without limitations and just to have fun. This class is for anyone that wants to dive into the world of art, make happy little mistakes, and finding joy in the process. Today, I will be sharing with you one of my biggest passions for illustration, color, textures, and how you can bring to life your own creative portrait. When you take this class, I will be sharing with you my tips and tricks, exploring techniques like watercolor, acrylic, Photoshop, and Illustrator to take your creative portrait to a whole new level. We will start from the creative process, then the different tracing techniques, coloring, and composition, and I will give you some free elements that you can download and use it with your own portrait. And finally, we will be transferring your work into Photoshop to play around and experiment with different options that the program offers. I think you will love this class, but most important is that you will find the magic that comes with it. So, let's start.